Welcome students, welcome to my digital classroom about basic English grammar. Today I am going to start sentence and its parts, and we shall also see how the predicate can be divided into two parts, that is verb and objects. So let's get started. If you enjoy watching this video, please share it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you want to get further notification about my new videos. Okay, let's get started with the sentence. So let's start it with the sentence. A sentence. What is a sentence? You know what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which has a complete sense. A group of words with a complete sense. This is called a sentence, and its parts. Sentence is divided into two parts, that is subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Now let us see what is a subject. In a sentence, subject is very important part besides verb. Verb is the most important part in a sentence, and the other thing is subject. Generally, a sentence starts with a subject. So now let us see what is a subject. We have seen that a sentence is a group of words with a definite meaning, with a complete meaning. A group of words cannot make a sentence unless it has a definite and a complete sense. So sentence, subject and predicate. What is subject? Subject is the person or the thing about whom or which something is said in a sentence. So let us see what is its definition. Definition of a subject. What is a subject? A subject is the person or thing, the person or thing about whom or which the person. What is subject? The subject is the person or thing. The subject, a sentence generally starts with the subject. And what is the subject? The subject may be a person or thing about whom or which something is said in the sentence. So what is subject? Subject is the person or thing about which or whom something is said in the sentence. So let us give an example. Let us take an example. Subject, the person or thing about whom or which something is said in the sentence. For example, Raju plays cricket. So this is a sentence. It is a group of words and it has a definite meaning. Something is said about Raju. Something has been said in this sentence, and about whom? About Raju. Something is said in this sentence about Raju. So subject is the subject is here Raju. Raju is the subject. subject is Raju, because about in this sentence something is said about Raju. Raju is the person about whom something is stated in this sentence. So in this way Raju is the subject. Now let us see how you will find the subject in a sentence. You can write down this rule of finding the subject. You can write down, and it will be very helpful in finding out the subject from a sentence. To find subject, ask the verb with whom or what. Who or what. You will put who or what before the verb. Then you will ask who did this or who plays cricket. Then you will get the subject. Or the subject word may be a person. If it is a person, then I ask with who. And if it is any object or thing, then ask the verb with what. Let us see how to find out. How to find out from a sentence. Practically I am showing how to find out the subject. Again any sentence. The peon rang the bell. This is the sentence. The peon rang the bell. So who is the subject here? Apply your I have said two rules. The person about whom something is said, about peon something is said, about whom something is said in this sentence. Who rang the bell? Peon. The peon rang the bell. So in this way it is the subject. And again, if you have confusion, you can ask the verb. What is the verb? This is the verb, and this is the object. I will tell how to find out the object later. Now find out the verb. We know that rang is the verb here, and apply this rule. Write who, then put the verb. Who rang the bell? Who rang the bell? The answer comes the peon. So this is the subject. Okay, I think it is clear now what is the subject and how to find out the subject. Now sorry.